Let us go back to hyperbolic. Saurabh, what is sin x formula? बघून सांग. Sin x is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon 2. Cos x e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2. Then sin ix I sin x. Sin ix I sin x. Cos ix cos x. Cos ix cos x. Right. Then what is the formula for cos x in e raised to? It is e raised to ix minus plus e raised to minus ix upon 2. And what is formula for sin x? Upon 2i. E raised to ix minus e raised to minus ix upon 2i. Then I will tell you the trigonometric formula, you tell me the corresponding formula. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Okay. 1 plus tan square is sec square. Okay. 1 plus cot square is cosec square. Cot x square minus 1 equal to cosec h square. Right. Then what is sin infinity? Sin infinity is infinity. Sin minus infinity is minus infinity. What is cos 0? 1. Cos 0 is 1. And cos infinity? Infinity. Cos minus infinity is also infinity. The curve goes upward. Right. So at least we revise something and then proceed further. Tan infinity कितनी है? 1. Tan infinity 1. Tan minus infinity is minus 1. Yesterday we started with one problem, na? At least one we have done. Just take down the problems and we want to think for the procedure and then solve. Y equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Prove that tan y by 2 equal to tan x by 2 and cos y cos x is equal to 1. Second, find tan x if 5 sin x minus cos x is equal to 5. Third, cos x is equal to sec theta. Show that theta equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse e raised to minus x and tan x by 2 equal to plus or minus tan theta by 2. So a set of 3 problems. How do we do the first one? Basically we require log, we don't require, so we write e raised to y equal to tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 will be tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So it becomes 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. Left hand side is e raised to y. If you do competitive dividend into c plus d, c minus d, probably you can get rid of that 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. If you subtract, you will get 2 c minus d upon c plus d. You will get 2 tan x by 2 upon 2. And on left hand side it will be e raised to y minus 1 upon e raised to y plus 1. And you multiply left hand side numerator and denominator by e raised to minus y by 2. E raised to y minus 1, if you multiply by e raised to minus y by 2, it will be e raised to y by 2 minus e raised to minus y by 2 upon e raised to y by 2 plus e raised to y by 2 minus y by 2, that is tanh. How do we do the second one? How do we do the second one? It is, if we divide by, this was okay. Divide by cos x y. Where are you going to divide? No, not this. This I am asking this. Cos y cos x equal to 1. This is to be proved. So think. What about this? Okay. Think. We will have to get a clue. What about this?
Cos x tan x by 2
Cos x you can write it in tan x by 2 term. And this in tan y by 2. So you will start with left hand side and you will use this property and prove it. That formula we have written last time. Right? Matlab cos in terms of tan x by 2 and even cos in terms of tanh. So you will have to substitute. To solve the second one, we get, first we convert it to tanh only. So divide by cos, that is right. So 5 tanh x minus 1 equal to 5 sec x. And we have a standard result. What is that? 1 minus tanh square x is equal to sec h square x. So we can eliminate it and we can find tanh. Matlab you will have to eliminate sec h in terms of tanh. Square both the sides, substitute tanh in terms of sec h in terms of tanh. Solve that quadratic, you will get the value. What about this? Cos x equal to sec theta. Exactly. गेली हातोडी कसली खोपती यार ते पोरगे इधर इधर को नकोस चला गया हाँ so second can be solved third cos x in terms of e raised to okay so it will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2 is equal to sec theta then
So numerator denominator e to power minus 6 multiply.
That could be risky, but 1 plus e raised to minus 2x upon 2 e raised to minus x equal to sec theta. Then solve it as a quadratic, because one option could be 1 plus e raised to minus 2x is equal to 2 e raised to minus x sec theta. So it is e raised to minus 2x minus 2 e raised minus 2 sec theta e raised to minus x plus 1 equal to 0. And so if you try to find e raised to minus x, it will be 2 sec theta plus or minus under root 4 sec square theta minus 4 upon 2. And in that case it will be 2 sec theta plus or minus 2 tan theta upon 2. So it is sec theta plus tan theta. That is what we are getting. So we will have to find our way, because as I have told you, there is not a specific procedure as such. If the things click, they click. If they don't, they don't. Can I say it this way? Cos square x is equal to sec square theta. Yes. Can I say cos square x minus 1 equal to sec square theta minus 1? What is cos square x minus 1? Sin square x is equal to tan square theta. So it will be sin x equal to tan theta. Now do we have any clue from here? Because now at least I can go for tan inverse. I made it sure that I can go for tan inverse from here. Or you can make use this and that, both. Because sin upon cos will be tan upon sec. Tan upon sec will be simply sin. So you will also get something like tan x is equal to sin theta. So we are getting so many different things, but not the required one. What it appears from here, if we just think it is 2 tan inverse e raised to minus x is pi by 2 minus theta. And if we divide by 2, it appears to be pi by 4 minus theta by 2. If it is pi by 4 minus theta by 2, he must be going for tan plus 1 plus tan theta by 2. Something in that line. From here, so it is e raised to minus x equal to sec theta plus tan theta, which is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, which is
sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square.
Yeah, sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square upon cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Yeah.
factor cut होगा.
One factor cuts and you will have sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. You divide by cos theta by 2, it is 1 plus tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan theta by 2, which is tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2, and then you go for it. Yeah, so this way works. I could have told you the answer right at the beginning, but there is no point. We will have to think in different manner. So this is resolved by solving the equation. We had gone for e raised to. Okay, coming back to this one again, because this could be simple. Will it be? Because you have already ended up with getting e raised to minus x as 1 minus tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan theta by 2. And that's why I don't find that this is difficult, because you will go for complementary dividendo, you will get tan theta by 2, and here it will be e raised to x minus 1 plus 1 multiply by e raised to x by 2, and that will reduce to tanh. So once we get this, this was easy, because we have ended up with that only. Cos y into cos x. The clue is right over here actually. Tan terms मध्ये, can't it be easier than that?
तेच होईल. cos y equal to sec x.
Cos y equal to sec x होता, right? Right. Yeah, this. It is just the same thing. This problem and this problem is just the same. In one you are required to prove this, in the second one this is given and you are required to prove the other. Yeah. So one way and other way. Right? Do that. Or should I solve them? Nikita? We do it in two steps. One is, first of all, think and then how to proceed. So for the first problem, the solution, those who can solve it, solve it. If not, we start from here. Y equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So therefore e raised to y is tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2, which is tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2, which is 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. And so it is numerator minus denominator upon numerator plus denominator. That is what we are planning to do. So it is e raised to y minus 1 upon e raised to y plus 1 on left hand side, and on the right hand side it is 1 plus tan x by 2 minus 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan x by 2. So here it is 2 tan x by 2 upon 2, that is tan x by 2. And on left hand side you multiply by, so it is e raised to y minus 1 into e raised to minus y by 2 upon e raised to y plus 1 into e raised to minus y by 2, which is e raised to y by 2 minus e raised to minus y by 2 upon e raised to y by 2 plus e raised to minus y by 2, and therefore tanh y by 2 equal to tan x by 2. Proved. So I have written all the steps now. If you follow the procedure exactly in the reverse, then you will get this. Matlab for the second problem. From here only the path is. Samartha, tell me how to start the second one. Cos y equal to cos y into cos x equal to 1. From where to start?
Cos y equal to sec theta.
We don't have that.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying this. How to start this?
Cos y 1 plus tan square y by 2 upon 1 minus.
Okay, so we start with LHS as cos y into cos x. What is the formula?
1 plus tan square y by 2
Tan square y by 2
on 1 minus tan square
y by 2 into
1 minus tan square x by 2 on
1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. But tan y by 2 is tan x by 2. So this cancels equal to 1. Just a formula based. These formulae we have written yesterday at the end. And now for problem number 2, we have 5 sin x minus cos x is equal to 5. So we have 5 tan x minus 1 equal to 5 sec x dividing by cos. So it is 5 tan x minus 1 bracket square equal to 5 sec x square. So this is 25 tan square x minus 10 tan x plus 1 equal to 25 sec square x. And what formula we have? Sec square is 1 minus tan square. So this will be 25 into bracket 1 minus tan square x. So if we take it on one side, we will have 50 tan square x minus 10 tan x minus 24 equal to 0. Solve this quadratic and get the value. It is 50 tan square x minus 10 tan x minus 24 equal to 0. So tan x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, so plus 96 into 50, that's good, upon 2a, so 100. 96 into 50 will be 4800, plus 100 is 4900, root will be 70, so it will be 10 plus or minus 70 by 100. Do we have answers? Yeah. Yeah. So that leads to either 80 by 100 or minus 60 by 100. That is nothing but 4 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. That was problem number 2. And for problem number 3, we started with e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2 equal to sec theta. And then e raised to x plus e raised to minus x equal to 2 sec theta. Multiply by e raised to x, so you get e raised to 2x plus 1 equal to 2 e raised to x sec theta. So the quadratic equation that we get is e raised to 2x minus 2 sec theta e raised to x plus 1 equal to 0. So e raised to x will come out to be, I ended up with e raised to x, fine. We should have multiplied by e raised to minus x, fine. It is 2 sec theta plus or minus under root 4 sec square theta minus 4 upon 2. Which is sec theta plus tan theta. Even if I would have multiplied by e raised to minus x, equation is same, or what? So we mean to say that e raised to x and e raised to minus x have same value? I multiplied by e raised to x and I got this equation. If I multiply by e raised to x minus x, I will still get the same equation. So e raised to x and e raised to minus x are having same value. Is it true? E raised to minus x will be 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta, na?
1 plus x minus 1 plus वाले असर and 1 minus
1 minus वाले असर. So how do we decide that? So this will come out to be upon cos, so it is cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. And the other one will be cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Anyway, chalo, we won't land in that trouble. We say multiply by e raised to minus x because answer demands for e raised to minus x. That would be the easiest task, right? So we have e raised to minus x equal to 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta, which is 1 plus sin theta upon cos square upon cos theta, which is sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 bracket square upon cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2.
सर इथं थीटा नेगेटिव्ह आहे ना आता म्हणजे 2 tan इनवर्स e to the power minus pi by 2 असा आहे नॉर्मल केलं
It will be like that because this minus if we are ignoring.
मायनस गेला पाहिजे आपल्याला
Why?
मग ते आन्सर
Yeah, that is okay. Then we will get the answer. The question is why should we take minus? Sec plus tan 1 plus sin e raised to minus x e raised to minus x. Actually that this problem remains with these because see previously we had only tan x by 2 equal to tan y by 2, right? There was no plus or minus. Here we will end up with plus or minus. Here we already have plus or minus. We choose one sign. It is, are you getting both opposite?
प्लस
Right, in that case we consider it as a mod of the value because there is no reason why we should consider it this way or that way, or you will have to solve both. So this ends up with ultimately e raised to minus x as sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2, and when we divide it will be 1 plus tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan theta by 2, which is tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. This is what we get, pi by 4. And so we get tan inverse of e raised to minus x as pi by 4 minus plus theta by 2. And so if we take multiply by 2, it is 2. Tan inverse e raised to minus x is pi by 2 plus theta. That is okay, but that is okay. So we practically write mod theta. It's not minus theta or plus theta. Because he has done two very funny thing. At one time he has substituted theta as pi by 2 minus alpha, and without any reason, and so obviously it gets subtracted. Okay. Prove that. Tan inverse of sin theta equal to cos inverse of sec theta. Purely formula based. We have a formula for tan inverse x. Put x equal to sec theta. Find LHS. We have formula for cos inverse. Put x equal to sec theta, and they will come out to be same. Right? Just the formula as it needed. This is one. Second, sin inverse of tan theta equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Prove that cos x plus sin x bracket raised to n equal to cos nx plus sin nx. If x is equal to tan inverse of 0.5, prove that sin 2x is 4 by 3. Again a formula based. We have sin 2x in terms of tan. Okay, and tan x is 0.5. So substitute. It's like that only. Sin 2x in terms of tan. Use the formula. For what will these are 1, 2 and 3 are formula based. What about this? How do we do the second one? Fifth one. Cos x plus sin x bracket raised to n. If you take it to e raised to power x, will it solve? It should. Yeah. It is even easier than that. I was thinking of that I should come back through de Moivre's. Even that will work. But if it is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2 and e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2, e raised to minus x by 2 cancels, e raised to x upon 2 plus e raised to x upon 2 is e raised to x. Raised to n is e raised to nx. Go for RHS, it is e raised to nx. There was nothing in that problem. But otherwise through complex will it work? If I put x equal to iy, if I put x equal to iy, what will happen? This will be I sin y. Okay, and cos y. So cos y plus I sin y bracket raised to n is de Moivre's. And then again I resubstitute. It will come through de Moivre's also with a substitution. So tell me the formula for tan inverse x. बघ जा मागे बघ जरा कष्ट घे क्या. Tan inverse x is half log of 1 plus 1 minus का 1 plus 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. And what is formula for cos inverse? Log of x plus under root x square minus 1. And for sin inverse, it is log of x plus under root x square plus 1. Now what will happen here? It will be log of 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta is sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 bracket square. 1 minus sin theta is sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 bracket square. When you take this half inside, that square will cancel. It will be simply sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2. If divided by cos theta by 2, you will get tan. So we are reaching somewhere. 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2 type. And if we use cos inverse, it will be sec theta plus under root of sec square minus 1, that is tan. So you are getting sec plus tan, that is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. So if we can reach from here 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is done. So येतच मला वाटतं स्क्वेअर करून. In the second one it is sin, so it is tan theta plus tan square plus 1, so tan theta plus sec theta, that is what RHS evaluates to, and log. This is again that same formula, so these are similar. Do them. Aniket, मी चेक करणार आहे तुझं बरं का.